Hi, welcome back to 2 Minute Tuesday. Today I'm going to just tell you some real quick tips that I have learned about doing wash in your RV. We happen to have a stackable, but these tips also apply to the washer dryer combo. First thing I want to tell you is if you have in your washer, you want to make sure that you do small loads, because the smaller loads, the less stress you have on it. And the other thing about it is also, this is very similar to, the combo. Put only 1 to 2 tablespoons. Don't do a lot of fabric because it will gunk up your whole thing. One other tip I've learned, and I have not used this and I will try it, is you can use, instead of fabric softener, which I don't usually use, you can use, I think like a 1/4 cup of vinegar. You can put that into the fabric softener, and that's actually good because it also cleans out your lines when you're doing it. It does not leave a vinegar smell. One of the other things is when I go put my wash in, I'm going to make sure this is clean. I'm not going to do it for this video, but I will make sure that's clean. And then I'm going to take all my laundry, put it in there. And the other tip is you don't want mold in your washing machine. You're trying to clean things, and all this moisture, if you touch this, you'll realize how much moisture gets in here and how much is on the door. I just use a microfiber to wipe everything off. I try to wipe around here. And then I also even sometimes wipe in here. I want to be careful because I don't want to ruin this. But then I also just leave this open. I usually leave it open overnight because I want to make sure all the moisture gets out of there. One other tip for the dryer is make sure you don't use the dryer sheets, because that will also gunk up your dryer. If you need to use something, the vinegar I know is supposed to work. It's supposed to work for static as well as for softening. So I would use that if I feel like I want to. I don't usually use a lot of stuff. Anyway, that's it. I hopefully you found this useful. If you have other tips that I'm not aware of, please put them down below. Okay. But thank you for watching today, and we'll see you next Tuesday for the next tip. Thank you.